See guys, the chocolate for 49. See? Ayan, ang favorite ng aking darling at ng aking anak. For 49 lang. Hindi ko alam kung magkano regular price dito. Pero here is for 49. So, black chocolate. Ito po yung second part. Ito po yung bagong bukas na supermarket near our place. So, ayan. 8.99. Wow, this is one of my favorite. Made in Poland, 60.99. Ito yung gusto kong bilhin para ipa-box. Ayan siya, fudge. Yan.